Once they've gone through the steps with the big data, what happens? They could use the data. It could be descriptive, it could be predictive, or it could be prescriptive. So if they're drawing insight from a data set and they want to use it for descriptive analytics, they're trying to answer the question of what happened and why. So just from the name descriptive, so it's describing. So they want to understand what happened and why. And the next one is a predictive. So this is used when they want to ask something or give a probability of a certain event happening in the future. So that's where you get things such as weather alerts, you get maintenance alerts on your vehicles. Maybe it's time for you to go do your oil change. Those are predictive, so they're telling you to go do an oil change, or they're telling you the weather is going to be rainy tomorrow also. That's predictive. And now the third type of data processing is prescriptive. So with this prescriptive form of data analytics is when they're providing a specific set of steps to be performed if something already occurred or if something occurs. Answering the question, what should I do if X happens? So they're telling you if this happens, these are the steps you should do. So that's prescriptive analytics.